G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how I purchased this pull-up bar from Bunnings online for $96 and how I put it together and put it on the wall. This is a drywall with the studs behind. If you would like to know how I did it, do continue to watch this video till the end. So this is the Bunnings website where I purchased this chin-up bar from. It is available online only. It's not available at any of the stores. It says $93, but they charged me $3 extra for the delivery. So all up, it costed me $96. It's a pretty decent setup considering the price. So I'm pretty happy with the quality of this bar. It can be used for chin up or as a dip station. As you can see, yeah, you can use it in a different setup. I didn't go with this one because I had to put the two extra load-bearing hooks to my studs, which it did come with. I just wanted to have my chin-up bar set up. Dips I don't usually do, but you can use it for the dip setup as well if you want to. Some more photos of what can be done with this unit. Its maximum capacity is 120 kilos, so it's not really designed for heavy bodies. You can see here you can use it as a dip station as well, but I just went with this one because that's how I want it. If I want to go with the dip station in the future, I can still put two more load-bearing hooks to my studs and use it as a dip station. So that's not a problem. Some more other attachments you can add to this unit and use it as you see fit. And that's pretty much it. Let's put this together and put it to test how it goes. So this pull bar unit came with 4 of these load bearing hooks. Load bearing hooks are going to attach to the wall. As I have the wooden wall with wooden studs behind it, the expansion screws that it came with are useless, so I'm not going to use this, but I'm going to use these lag bolts which I purchased from Bunnings, which are going to go through the whole of every single load bearing hooks into the stud. So I've already marked the spot where I want to position my pull bar. So I've used the stud finder to find my studs where they are. Make sure you don't put in the drywall because it's just going to rip the whole wall out. So it has to go onto the studs. So using this stud finder, I can see where the studs are. So that's when it starts beeping, that means where the stud is. So that's where one of the studs is. And the next one is right here. Okay, so that's how you find your studs. I will be placing these hooks, and I've already drawn the line where they need to go using a leveler. I've got to make sure the load bearing hooks are straight and parallel to each other, and they're not at an angle, because obviously you don't want the bar to be crooked. So I'm going to mark the spot here. So one of my marks was here, so I'm going to put this leveler bubble in the middle. Right, so that's where my next load bearing hook will be, and the bottom hole will be around here. Top one. Okay, stem the line because I can't see the line anymore. Okay. Okay, so mark the spot. That's where the drill holes are going to happen. Okay, so I've made the 4 holes for these hooks. I've got the lag bolts, I've put the washer through them, and I've got the shifting spanner. Time to attach that to the wall. So shifting spanner wasn't the right tool. I've got the socket wrench. I'm going to use this to make my job a lot easier. So one important thing, not to tighten it all the way, because you still need a bit of a wiggle room. So when you install, once you put the next one, next hook, there is you can align it up and down as you see fit, and to make sure both the hooks are parallel to the floor and it's not crooked. So just make sure it's not fully tightened. So putting the pull bar straight onto the drywall was not a good idea because drywall is softer, and when I was trying to use it, it leaves that indent on the softer drywall. So what I've done here is I've taken the pull bar out and the bolts, and what I'm going to do now is use a backing board so it gives it more strength and rigidity, and I'm going to use the backing board and attach this to the studs or the drywall, and then I will attach the pull bar to that backing board. So this is what's going to happen now. Right, so I've got this backing board and I've got the black bolt through the hook, and I'm going to try to put this black bolt through this hole. I've already made the holes on the backing board. Leave it. Yeah. Okay, push it through. Tighten it. Right, so I've got the load bearing hooks through the backboard into the studs. That's properly secured. I've got the pull bar assembled already. It's all ready to go. So I'm now gonna put it on and see how it goes. Right. So that's properly secured and tight. It's time now to put this pull bar to the test and see how it goes. Pretty rock solid, works well. I'm pretty happy with the result. For $96, I think this pull bar is a must for your home gym. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and press the notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.